Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Sharon Daniela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I just finished filming how I do my makeup video and you're like, this is what I could come up with. Yeah, so I think it's cute, I think it's beautiful, I think it's bomb. You could go to school like this, like you could go to school or to work or whatever. So yeah, this is the look. Okay guys, so I just felt like filming another video and I just thought, how about I do a room tour video you know, because I don't know, because I want to, I don't know. But yeah, so this is a room tour. I'm gonna be showing you guys my room. And yeah, I hope you like it because I like my room. So So, when you walk into my room, you can literally see this beautiful plant. She is green, she is beautiful, she is not artificial, and her name is Maria Mahujesu. And underneath, we have this beautiful plant bag. I got it from Woolworths. And right beside it, we have a side stand. On top of it, we have a lamp. I got both of them from Corey Craft. That's just because of they have great stuff over there. I have a lot of stuff here that is from choreographed. They have beautiful things over there. So this gray roll here on my bed, it's from Woolworths. It was so expensive. I bought it last year June, yeah, somewhere there, June, July. It was so expensive, but right now it's kind of cheap. It's on sale, not cheap, but on sale. And you can go and check it out if you like it. And we have this beautiful pillow. I love her. I love her. Okay, I bought her at Woolworths, and I loved her the moment I saw her. I was like, girl, do you think I'm gonna leave you here and go with some strangers? I'm not gonna do that. I am not going to do that. I am gonna leave you behind. I am taking you along with me. You are my ride and die. And guys, she is so soft. She is so comfortable. And she's so adorable. I mean, okay, guys. So the pillowcases and the pillows here, I got them from Street Sheets along with this bed cover. I got it from Street Sheets. They have beautiful stuff. Quality, it's just golden as Street Sheets. And here we have side stand, a lamp, and a plant. Yeah. So this is my gray side of the room. Is the gray side of my room. And here we have a sliding door and some blinds. These blinds, they're just so hard to deal with, okay? They frustrate me every morning. I have to deal with them. But hey, that's fine. It's okay. So we're gonna open here and I'm gonna show you guys this beautiful view that you have never seen ever before in your life. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. And over here we have these oval pots. I can't remember where I bought them, but I know that I was almost bankrupt. But I mean, it was worth it. Can you just, guys, it was worth it. I mean, they're beautiful. They're all beautiful. I mean, my balcony is looking adorable. It's looking good. Okay? It's looking flipping good. And these plants, guys, I can't remember where my mom she bought them, but I love it. I love them. I love them. And here, guys, we have these beautiful trees. Hello, Randback. Hello, Randback. You guys, you know that Randback's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful. Joburg, it's gorgeous. I mean, guys, can we just take a moment of silence and just, oh my God, the sky is blue. They don't lie. I mean, wow. OMG. Okay guys, here we have these green trees. Okay, that's me right there. Hi, what's up, what's good? And that's my garden over here, over there. That's my garden. Guys, the sky is blue. Moment of silence. Yeah, that's adorable. I know. That's majestics, I know. So, that's my dog right there. Her name is Bella. If you'd like me to introduce you guys to her, I am here. I am here. Okay, just let me know down below. I am here for you, sis. I am here for you guys. So here we have these artificial plants. They are twins. They are identical twins. You heard that right. And that's me right there filming with my phone because my camera just died. Yeah, it's tough in the world of YouTube stuff. It's really, it's that deep, okay? It's tough. And I have some TV over here. You're gonna be watching some reality TV, some forensic stuff, you know, all of that. I feel like forensic stuff, they're just fascinating on all of that. I enjoy watching that a lot. And yeah, so guys, I was just trying to show you guys these artificial babies here. Oh my god, adorable. Okay, I want to show you guys this stand. It's so beautiful. It's more like a table or whatever, I don't know. It's gorgeous, right? She is from Choreographed. I told you guys that Choreographed, they have great stuff. And that's my workplace. Your girl be studying over there, be working over there, and all of that. You know, yeah. This is where I just sit and edit my videos. And I am currently sitting here editing my video. Yeah, and here we have these candles that my friend got me. What am I saying? Okay, the candle that my friend got me and some home fragrance. My room be smelling so good, guys. It smells so good. And right there we have a scent. I stole it from my mom's room. If she sees this video, she's probably gonna kill me, but that's okay. We have some headsets there. Your girl be listening to some music. We have my laptop and that cute journal that Basadi and I stole from Riverville at the fashion show. Yeah, sorry Basadi, but hey, shout out to Basadi Matlala. She is gorgeous. She's beautiful. Make sure you follow her on Instagram. She is fire, okay? She is the model, okay? Okay, we have some candles here. I got these from Spa. I talk too much, guys. I talk too much. Yo. Okay, guys, I got those from Spa. Check them out. They smell so good. So good. And here we have some water. Your girl be drinking water. And there, I just put my coffee right there. Yeah. Your girl be drinking some water. We don't do dehydration. And I'm a huge fan of Harry Potter. I love Harry Potter. I love him. Okay, and here we have a basket. And this basket, I just throw in some cables, you know. I just throw in some cables and all of that. Yeah. You see? That's just that. And here we have this cute plant. It's beautiful, it's giving, but I can't remember where my mom bought it. I also stole this from my mom's room. She's got a lot of stuff in her room, and I was just like, my room is kind of empty, you know. And here we have these cute paintings. I got them from, I don't know, Woolworths. I can't remember, but I love the fact that they're adding the pop of color into my room. You know, the pink and the greeniness. it's just giving. It's giving. Yeah. And over here we have some mirror, mirror on the wall. We have my mirror over there. You guys, I've been looking for a huge mirror and I am struggling to find that. If you know where I can find one, please plug me, please help me. And that door right there, right here, that's my bathroom door. And I have a closet rug inside. And over here, right besides my bed, underneath my bed, yeah, I have these storage boxes, and I just put in my books. I have a lot of books, y'all. I have a book collection, yeah, and I love reading books. I love reading books. I have started reading books like 2 years ago, and we are doing pretty good. We are doing pretty good. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and comment and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified whenever I post. So that's it for this video. Bye.